title, The Man Who Had It All. Marcus Grant had what most men dreamed of. A successful career, a beautiful home, and above all, a wife named Elise who loved him with a fierce loyalty. Elise wasn't just beautiful, though her beauty often turned heads wherever they went. She was kind, generous, and stood by Marcus through his struggles before success found them. But Marcus could never see himself the way Elise saw him. Deep inside, he carried shadows, old scars of rejection, a voice that whispered he wasn't good enough. Every smile Elise gave to a stranger, every compliment she received, Marcus twisted into proof that she was slipping away. Jealousy began small. Questions about where she'd been, who she was talking to. Then it grew. Accusations, cold silences, checking her phone when she wasn't looking. Elise tried to reassure him. She reminded him of her love, her devotion, her choice of him above anyone else. But Marcus couldn't hear her words over the roar of his insecurities. The more he tried to protect their marriage, the more he suffocated it. His jealousy painted Elise as an enemy rather than a partner, until the day came when she could take no more. With tears in her eyes, she walked out, leaving behind not just their home, but the life they had built together. It wasn't until Marcus stood alone in the silence of that empty house that he realized the truth. He had it all. Everything he'd ever wanted, love, stability, joy, was already his. But his low self-esteem had poisoned it, convincing him it was never enough. He had fought imaginary battles against ghosts of his own making, and in doing so, lost the very real treasure of Elise's love. Marcus still lives with success, with wealth, with comfort. But none of it fills the emptiness. Because now he understands, having it all means nothing if you don't recognize it before it's gone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.